Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can SSH into your remote server and how you can access those files using the graphical user interface. So normally, what you do when you SSH is by just typing on your terminal SSH and then your username and then your host. So this is an example here. I'm going to show you normally and then I'm going to show you how to use a GUI. All right, let me put my password there. All right, I'm in. So here I've SSH via the terminal and I can see my files here. For example, I can say pwd. I can list my files in the root. So let's see here. I can go to home. I can go to, I'm gonna go to www and then I can list them. I can go there to www. I can list these files and these are all my website files. You can see index.php right there. You see, so these are my web files. All right, now this was one way, CSH via the terminal. Now I'm going to show you how to CSH via GUI, that is graphical user interface. So I'm going to leave this open and let's go to my code editor. I use PHPStorm. You can I'm going to minimize this. You can let's see, I'm going to close this. I'm going to exit and then you can decide to use either WebStorm, but I use JetBrains products. So as I use WebStorm or PHPStorm, and I think you can get this for free, 30 days free trial. So try that. All right, open. While that is opening, let's see. I'm just gonna open a new project. File. I'm gonna open a new project. And then I'm just gonna say SSH, create, new window. And then I can close the other one. So once you are in your PHPStorm, and I believe you can use PHPStorm or WebStorm. We can go. I can show you right quickly. Let me show quick how you can access those. New private window. If you go to JetBrains, I'm gonna show you the products. If you go here, you can access all the products. You see here developer tools. You can access PHPStorm right here. See PHPStorm, you can get this free 30-day trial. So try that, or you can use this other tools called WebStorm. Those are the ones that I primarily use for web development. Also, they have a free 30-day trial. So you can download that for free and try for 30 days. So either WebStorm or PHPStorm. And once you're done, come back here. They all have the same GUI, the same interface. So once you come here, I want to now to SSH via GUI. I just go to Tools, Deployment, and then I'm just going to say Configuration, and then here I'm going to say Add SFTP, the first option, and then I'm going to say I'm going to CSS to Amigo, SSH server. Okay. Type will be SFTP there. CSS configuration, you have to create configuration by clicking the three dots here. I click that, and then I'm going to add. So my host, that is your website name. Normally for me is yes amigocss.com. That is my actual, if you want to check that, that's my my CSS framework. Also, let me, while you are here, I can just show you quickly. This is my CSS framework. You can just go over it, but anyway, this is not the today's lesson, so I just want to show you the website. So amigocss.com, and when your SSH normally is on port 22, and then my username, just gonna say amigocss, and then there are two ways you can SSH, either using your password or using the key pair. Normally I use just the password, so I can put the password there, my password, and then I can say test. Okay, see, connected to remote stores, cannot. Okay, are you sure you want to continue? I say okay, I want to continue. See, successful connected. Okay, and then I can say apply, and then I can say okay. Cool. So right now I've already connected, and this section here, root path, it just show you the root of your domain. You can click this folder here, and then it will. Okay, here permission denied. Okay, no problem. I can say auto detect. So auto detect is just detect what my home folder is. Can open again. I think they don't allow you to view via here, but I can show you. I will show you how to detect. Okay, and then something else we might want to do. We might go to mapping and deployment path. We may just put it like slash. I think that is optional, but you put that if you want to upload the files to your server. You see, that is where you're gonna kind of upload them, and it is gonna show you. You can even go to the www folder here. Can say okay, so that is going to be the deployment path. Okay, can go back here. Let me try one more time. I don't know why it's denied there, but that's fine. Auto detect, that's fine, and then I'm going to say okay. So here is how you can access your files, just like we access the files here. You see the files here that I was able to access via the via the terminal. Now I'm going to see the same files via GUI. And how can I see that? You just go to tools, you go again to deployment, and then you go to browse remote host. If I click that, I will see all my files. You see, all my files are right here. And then I can go to www. I can scroll down. I can go to index.php there. I can click, but I don't want to click anything right now. But these are my files. All right, that was a short video on how to SSH via GUI. Again, tools, deployment, and configuration. And once you're here, make sure you select SFTP, and then, all right. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye. Just gonna close, and then I'm gonna close this again. Yes, exit. Cool. Then I'm gonna